Mason's Wide Adventures!
Swing over your head. So hold the button. Hold the button down. Press it. We gotta reel it in a little bit. Okay, press the button hard. Pull it back over your head. Over your head. Try not to hook me. Over your head. And then swing and let go. There you go, dude. That's awesome. Oh, you got one already. Oh. Leave it. Let him eat it. Is he on there? Reel him. Alright. They're biting it. We might need to switch to a smaller hook. We went like a touch of a size bigger for a bigger hook. Oh, that was a big one, dude. Oh. Here, let me fix your worm. That bobber's going. Leave it right there. Chasing it. Oh, you didn't get hooked. Let's put a smaller hook. You have him? Reel him. Oh, good job, dude.
I got it.
That's awesome. Yeah. Your bobber's going down, dude. You have one on? Maybe the worm came off. Yeah. So Mason just reeled in a huge sucker. I don't think I've ever seen a sucker this big. Let's see his belly, Mace. We dropped him so he's all covered in rocks. Turn him. Wow, look at that belly. That is awesome, dude. Good job. He's eating so good. Yeah, that's probably the biggest sucker I've ever seen. Okay, we're gonna throw him back, try and catch another one.
He's
running
away so fast.
That was the biggest sucker I've ever seen, Mace.
You get me that. He doesn't get go.
Guys, Mason got another big sucker.
Be careful he doesn't get go.
Yep, you can grab him.
Yes, pointy.
Oh, careful.
Pointy stuff?
Oh, he came off.
Came
No,
off?
he doesn't have any pointy. He has a soft body. He's nice, eh? That's a nice big one. Not as big as the first one, but he's nice and big, eh?
He's bigger than the first one.
No, the first one was massive.
Smaller than the first one? Bye!
Oh, there you go. He needed a minute. We'll cast it out again?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, that's that.
Guys, this pond is full of turtles. There's a little painted turtle there, and apparently there's snapping turtles here too. So we'll have to keep an eye out for those. But there's a little painted turtle right there. I don't know if the camera will pick him up. Let's see if we can get him closer to shore. He's a little tiny guy. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna try not to fall in. I think he sees me. The reflection might not be the best for the camera, but you guys can see him. We might need to bring a net back next time, Mace. Catch him. I'm not gonna fall in, don't worry. And we got a nice little creek here. We got some worms. We're gonna see what we can do over here. Alright guys, we're in the creek doing some creek fishing. We're gonna set our bobbers super shallow. There's maybe a foot of water here at the best. And kind of show you guys what it looks like. There's a bit of a dam in there and feeds into a pond. So we're gonna see if we can get everything here. We're gonna give this a little cast. Oh, there's a bite already. That's you, Mace. Leave it there. Something's biting it. Try, reel it, reel it, reel it. Reel it in. Reel it in. That was instant. As soon as it hit the water. Pull it up. Nothing yet. There is something there, I just don't know what it is. Every time it hits the water, it's eating it right away. You know what? It's little minnows. Reel it in. There's a little minnow taking your bobber for a ride. Reel it in, dude. I think something's hooked on there. Is he on there? No, I think that hook's a little bit too big for whatever's biting it. I think we did see a bass swimming around here earlier, but it just seems to be a lot of minnows right now. Our hook's a bit big for just little minnows. You know what? We'll keep it out there. We'll keep it out there. We'll see if anything else bites. Let's go take a walk over here.
Yeah.
We'll leave this here. Something's nibbling on it. It's definitely a minnow or something. Just dancing around with that bobber. Definitely not anything sizable. Is he hooked? You want to try reeling him in? I'll be super surprised. No, he's not hooked.
Yeah?
They're just tiny. Oh, reel it in. That was something bigger. Anything on there? Oh, watch around that stick. No, nothing yet.
But now dancing around with it.
Alright guys, we're finding some deeper pockets of this little creek area. Couple little minnow bites. Let's see if we walk through there, if we can get back in there. Careful, watch your step. This is a real fishing adventure in the woods. Wow, walking in the tall grass. Keep going. Looks like there's a clearing up ahead. Keep going. You want me to go first?
Yeah, go real first.
Okay. There's a bit of a stream in there, water's flowing in. Good job, dude. You did it. Looks a little bit deeper,
Yeah, you can real deeper.
but I don't really see anything in the water. Some minnows.
You go first? Go.
All right, we're fishing this little
Gee, wee.
spot here in the creek.
Here in the tree.
Had a little nibble, but I think it's
What?
a minnow. Reel it in again. We'll cast it a little bit farther out there. Oh yeah, look, there's a whole bunch of minnows in there. See them? In the water. With the sun, you can really see them. Just trying to get in all these little pockets. Trying to see if we can see anything. That bobber's just kind of coasting. I don't think there's anything here. We did see a bigger fish in here earlier. When I say big, it wasn't really big. It was just probably a small little bass or something.
Why is nothing down in there? Nothing's down.
I don't know, dude. Not really getting any bites.
Yeah, so
Might need to try a different spot.
you still check the bridge out.
Okay, let's go check the bridge out. Let's do it. I got tons of mosquito bites.
How did you get bites?
It's actually a really nice looking spot.
How did you get bites?
You want to take the rod?
No.
You take the rod, I'll grab these other bags. When we were here earlier, we did see what looked like a bass. Small little guy swimming down there. But from what we can see, it's just a bunch of minnows now. So you can almost sight fish them with the sun.
Okay.
But yeah, the water is really shallow. It's probably not even a foot deep.
I saw the bridge.
We're gonna try the bridge. That's our trusty spot.
Yep, that's the best spot ever. That's the Joe Bass spot.